Good afternoon, lovers in the house. Don't mind my voice. I'm having cold, so that's why my voice is like this. Today I'm going to talk about menstrual cycle. I'm going to talk about the different type of menstrual cycle. First of all, if you like this video, please subscribe and please like, share to your family so that I can bring you more content. And please support your girl. It's not easy. Support us. So we have different type of menstrual cycle. Now let's see, what are the types of menstrual cycle? First, we have the 28-day cycle, we have the 21-day cycle, we have the 35-day cycle. 35-day cycle are those cycle which is longer, like it's very long. You can even see them range from 28 to 35. While 21-day cycle, you can see from 18 to 21, so it's very short. And while you can see the 28-day cycle, which is normal, that one is very normal. You can see it's from 26, 27, 28, 29. Sometimes it can even land at 30, but it's very normal. That one is normal. So that is the different type of cycle we have. So this 21-day cycle is a very shorter cycle, which you ovulate. You can even ovulate in your periods. You can even ovulate when you are having period. So you see, this one is very risky. This one is very risky because for a lot of people who are looking for the fruit of the womb, a lot of people who are looking to get pregnant, they might not understand the cycle, and they might be ovulating when they are on their period. So you see, and if without ovulation you can't get pregnant, so the time when they will take on one do more we enter pigeon, that do not go sweet because why? You know, go feel foam because why? They know they ovulate. So you see, that is where the problems lies. That's where the problem come in. So that's why we said this type of cycle is very risky. Very risky. And that is why you need to stay very attentive to know when you are ovulating, and you need to track it. Some people use ovulation kit to track. Some people use app. Some people use a lot of things to track their ovulation. That is where you have to be very, very, very wise, like to take attention of every month when you ovulate. And as you can know, some people don't ovulate every month, so you have to keep track. You have to keep track, and you have to be on your toes. So whereby we have that 28-day cycle. That 28-day cycle is a very normal cycle. That one you ovulate on the 14th day, and it's not like it will come every on the 14th day. Pardon my English. It's not every. It might come on the 13th day. It might come on the 12th day. It might come on the 10th day. And how do we count those days? How? So that is question mark, and that is another video for another day, how to calculate your period and your cycle. Today I'm just going to explain the cycle for you. So another day we'll talk about that. So it will not come that on the 14th day. So it might come another day, like on the 13th, like on the 12th, like on the 10th. But if it did not come on the 10, on the 11, on the 12, on the 13, it will come on the 14. And that 14, you will see your ovulation. Okay. So we have the ovulation, which is 7 days, as you all know. It's 7 days. So why the 31? Why the 31, 35, 35 cycle? That one, the ovulation will come later than 14 days, like on the 17, like on the 20, it will come. So you have to also keep track. But that 28 days, you already know that, oh, my ovulation will come some day like this. Then you will know what you are doing. So that's it. So please, guys, you have to keep your leg on your toes. Like, you have to be more attention. Like, you have to pay more attention to your body. Like, when you are ovulating, you have to know what signal your body do give to you. When you're on this cycle, you have to know, because you might confuse your ovulation. You will confuse it with period. You will confuse it with another thing. So you have to know this cycle varies a lot. So that's why a lot of people, and if you see this paternity fraud we are saying is due to this cycle, because a lot of women don't even know their cycle. And also, getting pregnant is due to this cycle. A lot of women don't know this cycle. So that's why I advise every woman to know your cycle, the length of your cycle. You will see some women even say, they will be telling you that, oh, I don't menstruate 2 times in a month. And you'll be asking yourself, why? Why is it like that? It's because their cycle is shorter. But they don't know. They don't know that their cycle is shorter. They don't know. Some people will just ovulate this month and they'll go and ovulate next other 2 months, meaning they have irregular cycle. And that is where this irregular cycle do come in. This irregular cycle is a cycle, is a menstrual cycle, which you don't have period every month. You will have periods this month. Then next month you will not have. Next other month you might not even have it. Then you go and have 2 months time. And some people will look at it as it's normal. It's not normal. It's not normal at all. It's not normal. It's abnormal. That is irregular cycle. When you have regular cycle, it means you are having your period every month, every month, every month. Even if you are not ovulating every month, that is also normal. You are having your period every month. That is regular cycle. So when they ask you, oh, when did you see your period? You know, say, it's 2 months. It's 2 months ago. I didn't even remember. And that's why they be. They come, they go. You know, they come all the time. Some people will just talk like that because they don't even understand their body. So for now, I'm going to put it here. This is the type of cycle which we have. So for the next video, I'm going to explain how you calculate your menstrual cycle. So please subscribe, share, and like. Share, guys. Support me. When you support me, thank you. And God bless you. Love you.